So I get people asking me all the time, why does Motor City set up so many relationships with different people, and why are we setting up different sales repping agreements across the country or working with individual people? And the answer is simple. Working on these $250,000, $500,000, multi-million dollar machine tools and working on these really intricate spindles that the OEMs say only they can rebuild, we understand it's not an easy sales process. We understand explaining and answering the most difficult questions that the end users have is not simple. So because we are extremely confident in what we do, and we've had growth nearly every single quarter we've ever been in existence, including through COVID of 2020 and COVID 2021, we just want to hear from you. If you know companies out there that are running CNC machine tools, you're working with the maintenance group, you're working with MRO, you're working with purchasing, we don't expect you to answer those difficult questions about, what is Motor City's experience, what's their lead times, what's their warranty, how do they handle this type of situation. Let the experts do that, not only for spindle repair, but on the sales end as well. So I got my team set up. They're put in place, they're traveling the country, we're handling customer service internally, but myself and Brian Burns got some free time set up every single month to travel the country to meet with you. And of course, we can always just talk over the phone, but love to hear from you, love to work with you, love to get you full compensation that's industry standard for you guys only being part of a fraction of the sales process. So the reason we want to work with you so badly is one of the most difficult parts of the sales process is actually speaking with the decision makers on the end user's floor, speaking with the guys in charge of maintenance, purchasing, MRO, what have you, or just talking to the service manager at a particular OEM. So reach out to us. We would love to work with you, work with your end users, get you guys compensated, take care of your customers, and I can't wait to hear from you. Thanks, guys.